Hello everyone, my name is Sahrana Zipermana and I want to explain about computer and hardware. So enjoy the video. Next, what is computer? A computer is an electronic device designed to receive, process, store, and produce data or information based on a story of instruction or valid programs. Computer works automatically and can complete various tasks ranging from simple to complex, such as typing documents, calculating numbers, editing videos, and even running intelligent systems such as artificial intelligence. All general-purpose computer systems require the following hardware components. And the first, memory. Memory enables a computing device to store, at least temporarily, data and programs. Mass storage device. The second, mass storage device. This allows the device to permanently retain large amount of data. Common mass storage device include solid state drive or SSDs or disk driver and type drivers. The third, input device, usually a keyboard and mouse. The input device is the conduit through which data and instruction enter a computer. And the fourth, an output device is display screen, printer, or other device that lets you see what the computer has accomplished. And the fifth, the central processing unit or CPU, the heart of the computer. This is the component that actually execute instruction. And the last or the sixth, a motherboard. This component allow all of the other components to communicate with one another. Next, what are the parts of the computer? A computing device has four main components: a CPU, a graphic processing unit or GPU, random access memory or RAM, and either a solid state drive or SSD or a hard disk drive or HDD. All of these components are connected to a motherboard. Typically, the GPU and CPU comprise the computer chipset, memory or RAM, and storage SSD or HDD. Components are generally easier to modify or replace than chipset. The graphical user interface is another essential element of modern computing device. A graphical user interface is the digital interface on your screen where the user can interact with elements like buttons, links, or menus either on your operating system or online. Evolution of computer. First generation, vacuum tubes, large and power hungry, and 1940 sampai 1956. Second generation, transistor replace vacuum tubes, more efficient, dari tahun from science 1956 to 1963. Third generation, integrated circuits or ICS, smaller and faster. Science 1964 to 1971. Fourth generation microprocessor, personal computer, science 1971 to present. Fifth generation artificial intelligence and quantum computing. Yes, future. Okay, the next about hardware. What is hardware? Hardware is collective term used to describe any of the physical component of an analog or digital computer. The term hardware distinguishes the tangible aspect of a computing device from software, which consists of written, machine-readable instructions or programs that tell physical components what to do and when to execute the instruction. What are internal computer in hardware components? Internal components collectively process or store the instruction delivered by a program or operating system or OS. This includes the following: motherboard. This is a printed circuit board that holds the central processing unit and other essential internal hardware and function as the central hub that all other hardware components run through. CPU. The CPU is the brain of the computer that process and executes digital instruction from various programs. Its clock speed determines the computer's performance and efficiency in processing data. RAM or dynamic RAM is temporary memory storage that makes information immediately accessible to programs. RAM is volatile memory, so stored data is cleared when the computer power off. Hard drive are physical storage devices that store both permanent and temporary data in different formats, including programs, access device files, photo, and etc. Solid state drive (SSD) are solid state storage device based on NAND flash memory technology. SSDs are non-volatile, so they can safely store data even when the computer is powered down. Optical drive typically reside in on-device driver by they enable the computer to read and interact with non-magnetic external media such as compact disc, read-only memory, or digital video disc. Heatsink. This is a passive piece of hardware that draws heat away from components to regulate or reduce their temperature heat and ensure they continue function properly. Typically, a heatsink is installed directly top the CPU, which produces the most heat among internal components. And graphics processor unit, the chip-based device, processor graphical data and often function as an extension to the main CPU. And the last, network interface card or NIC. NIC is a circuit board or chip that enables the computer to connect to a network, also known as a network adapter or local area network adapter. It typically supports connection to an Ethernet network. What are external hardware components? External hardware components, also called peripheral components, are just items that are often externally connected to the computer to control either input or output function. These hardware devices are designed to either provide instruction to the software on input or render result from its execution output. Common input hardware components include the following. A mouse is a handheld pointing device that moves a cursor around. A computer screen and enable interaction with objects on the screen. It might be wired or wireless. Keyboard is an input device featuring standard QWERTY keyset that enables users to input text, number, or special character. Microphone is a device that translates sounds wave into electrical signal and supports computer-based audio communication. A camera captures visual image and streams them to the computer or the computer network device. Touchpad is an input device external or built into a laptop. Used to control the pointer on display screen. It's typically an alternative to an external mouse. USB flash drive is external, removable storage device that uses flash memory and interface with computer to USB port. Memory card is a type of portable external storage media such as compact flash card used to store media or data files. Other input hardware components include joystick, stylus, and scanners. Example of output hardware components include the following. Monitor. A monitor is an input device similar to a TV screen that displays information, document, or image generated by computing device. Printer render electronic data from a computer into printed material. And a speaker is an external audio output device that connects to a computer to generate a sound output. Earbuds similar to speaker. This device provide output that audible only to a listener. Conclusion. A computer is powerful electronic device capable of receiving, processing, storing, and outputting data based on programmed instruction. Its evolution from vacuum tubes to artificial intelligence reflects the incredible advancement of technology, making computers more faster and more efficient with each generation. A computer system is made up of both hardware and software. Hardware includes all physical components, both internal like the CPU, RAM, SSD, and motherboard, and external like keyboard, monitor, and printers. These components work together to perform complex operations driven by software interaction. Understanding the difference between internal and external hardware is essential for grasping how computers function. Internal hardware handles the main processing and storage tasks. External hardware allows users to interact with the system and direct input, like a mouse and keyboard, or output, like monitors and speakers. Ultimately, a computer is more than just a machine. It's a sophisticated system that integrates multiple components to execute digital tasks, solve problems, support communication, and power the modern digital world. And thank you for watching. So bye bye.